if you still like to wash your car yourself, then this definitely is a video for you. First of all, it is important to make the complete body wet and try to remove most of the dirt with water, but not with high pressure, because that can make scratches while removing the sand. And also the inner wheel fender needs to be cleaned. Mix some wash and wax product with warm water, and that cleans the car and leaves the wax layer on the clear coat. We have two buckets, the red one to clean the fiber cloths and the white one filled with warm water and the product. And now we can start washing with the soft fiber and the wash and wax. Regularly wash the fiber cloth to free it from sand and other scratching residues. Now that the upper half of the car is washed, we can spray off the foam and then dry it with a fresh and dry fiber cloth. Now we have to wash the more dirty lower half of the car. First, make it wet again before washing with the cleaning and waxing product, and also we have to clean the fibers more frequently because the lower half of the body has a lot of dirt, of course. It is actually not so bad considering the car isn't washed for at least 3 months, and that's mostly because I waxed it completely before the winter started. When the body is done, the rims and the tires needs to get cleaned too. And here is the result. I have the car for some 5 years now, and the paint still is in excellent condition with nearly no spider scratches at all. If you liked the video, please hit thumbs up and consider subscribing below. Also, visit us on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. You can find the links in the comment section also, and if you have any questions or constructive comments, please don't hesitate to do it. As always, thank you all for watching, and I will see you very soon.